Hi everyone, welcome back. If you love cooking, meal prep, and kitchen gadgets that just make life easier, today we're looking at the top 5 food processors and blenders you can buy right now. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, chopping veggies, or prepping dough, there's something here for you. And yes, you'll find Amazon links in the description so you can check latest price and availability.
Starting strong with the Vitamix Ascent X2 Smart Prep Kitchen System, the premium 2-in-1 setup that takes blending and food processing to the next level. It comes with a powerful 2.2 horsepower motor, a 48-ounce blending jar, and a 12-cup food processor attachment. Whether you're whipping smoothies, making nut butter, or slicing veggies for dinner, this machine does it all. Pros: true 2-in-1 system, self-detect tech plus preset programs, excellent build quality. Cons: premium price, smaller jar for big batches. Who it's for? For anyone who loves cooking from scratch and wants one machine that replaces both a blender and a processor, this is your all-in-one premium option.
Next, Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. This is a true combo, a blender and a food processor bowl, so it handles both wet and dry tasks. Who is it for? Home cooks who want one machine to replace multiple devices. Smoothies in the morning, chopping veggies for dinner, even dough kneading. Pros: great versatility, good value for what you get. Combines blender plus processor. Cons: takes up more counter storage space. May be a bit more involved to clean both attachments. While great for many tasks, might not match the absolute best in each category, e.g. ultra-fine slicing or professional blender smoothing. Third, Cuisinart Custom 11-Cup Food Processor. If most of your time is spent chopping, shredding, or kneading rather than blending smoothies, this is a smart pick. Who is it for? Anyone who regularly preps veggies, makes dips, doughs, or large batches of food. Home entertainers, large families, serious cooks. Pros: wide bowl and multiple discs/attachments. Excellent for slicing/shredding. Frees up your knife time. Cons: not optimized for liquid-only blending tasks like smoothies. The bowl and parts can be large and harder to store. More pieces to clean. Fourth, Hamilton Beach 70730 Food Processor. A budget-friendly option that still offers solid functionality. Who is it for? Beginners, small kitchens, or anyone who wants good performance without overspending. Maybe your first processor. Pros: good value, straightforward controls, decent for everyday prep. Cons: motor may not be as powerful as premium models, fewer fancy attachments, may struggle with very thick doughs or heavy tasks compared to high-end processors. Finally, Ninja NF701 Professional Food Processor. This one leans more towards the processor side, but with strong build and brand reliability. Who is it for? Home cooks who want heavier duty processing, making nut butters, hummus, large batch prep, maybe small catering or frequent cooking. Pros: stronger motor, good for serious prep tasks, solid brand. Cons: again, less focused on blending liquids, maybe bulkier, more expensive than basic entry models. Before you pick, here are some quick buying tips. Motor power and speed. More watts means tougher tasks handled. Jar versus bowl. Blenders are tall and narrow. Processors are wide and shallower. Function versus frequency. If you mostly make smoothies or soups, go blender. If you chop, shred, or knead, go food processor. Ease of cleaning and storage. More attachments means more cleaning. Check if dishwasher safe. space and budget. One device may substitute for two if you choose well.
So there you have it, our top 5 food processors and blenders. Pick the one that fits your kitchen, cooking style, and budget. Remember, all the Amazon links with the latest price are right below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future kitchen gadget roundups. Thanks for watching. See you next time.